Welcome. There's more news today from TFOS. The Environmental Conditions Subcommittee members have been announced for the TFOS Workshop entitled A Lifestyle Epidemic, Ocular Surface Disease. Participants are Monica Alves, Brazil; Penny Asbell, USA; Murat, Dogru, Japan; Giuseppe Giannaccare, Italy; Arturo Grau, Chile; Darren Gregory, USA; Dong Yoon Kim, South Korea; Maria Cecilia Marini, Argentina; William Ngo, Canada; Anna Nowinska, Poland; Eduardo Villani, Italy; Thais Hitomi Wakamatsu, Brazil; Mitasha Yu, Australia. That was the top story of the hour. Have a great day, and don't forget to tune in later for more breaking news.